Today, I have something special for you. In today's video, we're talking about the top 5 best RC boats, 2026/fastest and most powerful models. After extensive research across multiple websites, I've compiled a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. Whether you're focused on price, performance, or a specific use case, I'm here to help. For more details about the products, I've included links in the description below. Keep in mind that this is not a review video, but a product showcase. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Number 5. The ProBoat Aerotrooper 25-inch brushless RC airboat is a powerful and exciting ready-to-run watercraft designed for high-speed performance on water, mud, grass, and shallow surfaces. Its airboat design allows it to glide over areas where traditional propeller boats cannot operate. The Aerotrooper features an injection-molded two-piece composite hull that provides durability, stability, and impact resistance. Injection-molded composite canopies add strength while maintaining a clean and aggressive look. Power comes from a 2080 kV, 480 brushless outrunner motor, paired with a Dynamite 90-amp brushless ESC with reverse, delivering strong thrust, smooth acceleration, and reliable control. Steering is handled by a 1/10 scale waterproof metal gear servo, producing 9 kilograms of torque, ensuring precise and responsive handling. This model comes ready to run with electronics installed, requiring only a compatible battery and charger to hit the water. Designed for fun and versatility, the ProBoat Aerotrooper is perfect for RC enthusiasts looking for speed, durability, and unique all-terrain water performance. Number 4. The GART Jadao MBD High-Speed Swamp Dog RC Windboat is a fast and versatile remote control airboat designed for exciting action on water, mud, sand, and grass. Its unique brushless, wind-driven design allows it to glide over shallow and challenging surfaces where traditional boats cannot operate. This model comes in RTF format, ready to fly straight out of the box with a simple 2-channel remote control that makes it easy to operate for beginners and fun for experienced users. The Turbo Cruise function delivers strong acceleration and high-speed performance for thrilling runs. Powered by a brushless motor, the Swamp Dog offers efficient power delivery, smooth throttle response, and longer run times. The lightweight yet durable hull ensures stability and reliable handling during high-speed operation. Perfect for outdoor adventures, the GARTT Swamp Dog RC Windboat delivers a unique RC experience, combining speed, simplicity, and multi-surface capability in a compact and easy-to-use package. Number 3. The WLtoys WL916 is a high-speed brushless RC racing boat designed for thrilling performance on the water. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor and brushless ESC with an electronic water cooling system, it delivers strong acceleration, stable operation, and speeds of up to approximately 55 to 60 kilometers per hour. This boat features full proportional controls, including forward and reverse throttle, left and right steering, adjustable rudder sensitivity, and fine steering trim for precise handling. The responsive steering system ensures smooth control even at high speeds, while the self-righting capsize recovery function helps quickly return the boat to action if it flips over. For added safety, the WL916 includes a low-voltage alarm that alerts the user when battery power is running low, helping protect the electronics and extend battery life. Built-in LED lights enhance visibility and make night driving more exciting. Using a 2.4 GHz radio system, the WL916 provides stable signal performance and reduced interference. The package includes the RC boat, remote controller, battery, depending on option, USB charging cable, boat stand, tools, instruction manual, and original box. Overall, the WLtoys WL916 is a fast, durable, and feature-packed RC speedboat, perfect for beginners and enthusiasts looking for high-speed fun on the water. Number 2. The Traxxas Disruptor Raceboat 4SVXL is a high-performance RC speedboat engineered for extreme power, precision handling, and race-level durability. Designed for serious boating enthusiasts, it delivers blistering speed and stability on open water. Powered by a Valinian brushless system optimized for 4 SLIPO power, the Disruptor offers rapid acceleration and impressive top-end speed. Its advanced electronic speed control ensures smooth throttle response and efficient power delivery, even at high loads. The deep V hull design provides excellent stability and control at high speeds, allowing the boat to cut through chop with confidence. A self-righting system helps quickly return the boat upright after a rollover, keeping the action going with minimal downtime. High-quality hardware, a reinforced hull, and a water cooling system help maintain performance and reliability during extended high-speed runs. The 2.4 GHz radio system delivers precise steering and dependable range. Ready to run? The Traxxas Disruptor Raceboat 4 SVXL is the perfect choice for drivers seeking speed, control, and race-inspired performance on the water. Number 1. The ProBoat RC Impulse 32-inch brushless deep V RTR is a powerful and sleek high-performance racing boat designed for speed, stability, and durability on open water. With its long 32-inch deep V hull, it delivers excellent control and smooth handling, even at high speeds and in choppy conditions. The boat features a multi-layered fiberglass composite hull with a striking black and green finish, offering both strength and a premium racing appearance. Inside, the clean molded composite interior helps protect electronics and maintain balance during high-speed runs. Power comes from a water-cooled 2000 kV brushless motor, providing strong acceleration and consistent performance. A waterproof 3-channel receiver ensures reliable control, while the efficient water cooling system keeps temperatures under control during extended runs. The fiberglass composite canopy is secured with aluminum thumb screws, allowing quick and easy access to internal components while maintaining a secure fit on the water. Ready to run out of the box? The ProBoat Impulse 32 only requires a compatible battery and charger to get started. It is an excellent choice for RC boating enthusiasts looking for speed, precision, and a race-ready deep V design. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.